Welcome back to Chrome and Coffee. Are you ready to witness the incredible fusion of automotive innovation and aviation power? In this video, we'll dive into the world of cars powered by jet engines. These are machines so extreme that they blur the line between car and plane. These aren't your everyday supercars. They're fire-breathing, speed-shattering legends built for the brave. Buckle up as we explore the most unreal cars powered by jet engines right here. Number 1. The Fire Force Jet Car. Our list kicks off with the Fire Force Jet Car. This custom-built dragster is powered by a Rolls-Royce Viper jet engine, originally designed to propel fighter jets. Packing over 10,000 horsepower, this beast rockets down the quarter mile in just 5.7 seconds, reaching speeds of over 300 miles per hour. The Fire Force isn't just about raw power. Its lightweight frame and aerodynamic design allow it to harness the full force of its jet engine, while its braking system includes both parachutes and disc brakes to stop it safely. The heat from its exhaust can melt asphalt if it idles too long on the track, making every launch a thrilling yet calculated event. At night races, the flames can light up the entire track, creating an unforgettable spectacle. Number 2. The Shockwave Jet Truck. Next up is the Shockwave Jet Truck, a 36,000 horsepower monster that's equal parts truck and plane. Powered by 3 Pratt & Whitney J34 jet engines, this semi-truck can accelerate faster than most sports cars, hitting 375 miles per hour in a matter of seconds. At air shows, the Shockwave delivers an unforgettable performance, racing against planes and leaving massive fireballs in its wake. Its flame exhausts can shoot 30 feet into the air, creating a spectacle of noise and light that leaves audiences in awe. Despite its size and weight, the Shockwave burns through jet fuel like a fighter jet, approximately 180 gallons per mile. Its creator once joked that the truck runs on money and adrenaline. Number 3. The Bloodhound LSR. The Bloodhound LSR is no ordinary car. It's a supersonic marvel built to break the land speed record. Powered by a Rolls-Royce EJ200 jet engine, the same used in Eurofighter Typhoons, this streamlined machine generates over 135,000 horsepower. The Bloodhound's design is a masterpiece of engineering. Its aerodynamic chassis minimizes drag, while its rocket boosters provide an additional thrust to push the car beyond 1,000 miles per hour. It's not just a car, it's a scientific experiment on wheels, with over 500 sensors collecting data during every test run. During testing, the Bloodhound reached 628 miles per hour, but its ultimate goal is to crack the 1,000 miles per hour barrier, a feat that would make it the fastest land vehicle ever built. The Bloodhound's team includes former fighter pilots and rocket scientists, showcasing the level of expertise required to handle such a machine. Number 4. The Turbine Batmobile. The Turbine Batmobile brings comic book fantasies to life. Powered by a Boeing turboshaft engine, this custom vehicle combines Hollywood flair with real-world jet power. While it's not designed for supersonic speeds, its roaring engine and fiery exhaust make it an unforgettable sight. This Batmobile is fully functional, featuring a jet-powered drivetrain and a custom chassis. It's more than just a collector's item. It's a statement of engineering ingenuity and pop culture obsession. Its creators spent years perfecting the design, ensuring it could drive smoothly while maintaining its signature jet-powered look. The Turbine Batmobile's jet engine produces a deafening roar that can be heard from miles away, making it as intimidating as the Dark Knight himself. Number 5. The Thrust SSC. In 1997, the Thrust SSC achieved what no other car had before when it broke the sound barrier. Powered by 2 Rolls-Royce Spey jet engines, the Thrust SSC produced 110,000 horsepower and reached a record-breaking speed of 763 miles per hour. The shockwave generated by the Thrust SSC's supersonic run was so powerful that it shattered windows miles away from the test site. Piloting the Thrust SSC required immense skill and precision, as the driver had to navigate the vehicle through intense vibrations and aerodynamic forces. The Thrust SSC's design was so advanced that it required computational fluid dynamics simulations to ensure it could handle supersonic speeds without losing stability. Number 6. The Green Monster. Built in the 1960s by Art Arfons, the Green Monster is a pioneer in jet-powered land speed racing. Using a General Electric jet engine salvaged from a fighter jet, this car set multiple world records, reaching speeds of over 600 miles per hour. Arfons built the Green Monster in his garage, proving that determination and ingenuity could rival even the most advanced engineering teams of his time. His fearless approach to speed made him a legend in auto history. The Green Monster's engine was so powerful that during one run, it blew apart a section of its frame, yet Arfons managed to repair it and race again within weeks. Number 7. The Vampire Jet Dragster. The Vampire Jet Dragster is one of the fastest jet-powered cars in the UK. Powered by a Rolls-Royce Orpheus jet engine, this dragster reaches speeds of over 300 miles per hour in just seconds, making it a fan favorite at drag racing events. It holds the record for the fastest jet dragster in the UK, solidifying its place in motorsport history. The Vampire's sleek design and raw power make it a must-see attraction at drag strips, where its launches are nothing short of explosive. Number 8. The Jet Beetle. The Jet Beetle is a quirky yet powerful creation that combines nostalgia with raw jet power. Powered by a Rolls-Royce Viper engine, this one-of-a-kind vehicle turns heads wherever it goes. Despite its compact size, the Jet Beetle can reach incredible speeds, proving that even the most unassuming cars can pack a punch. Its creator spent years perfecting the conversion, ensuring the Beetle could handle the immense power of a jet engine without falling apart. Number 9. The North American Eagle. Combining the expertise of aviation and automotive engineers, the North American Eagle is a jet-powered contender for the land speed record. With a General Electric J79 engine, this vehicle produces 50,000 horsepower and aims to break the 800 miles per hour barrier. The team behind the North American Eagle includes former NASA engineers and test pilots, showcasing the collaboration needed to chase such an ambitious goal. Number 10. The turbine-powered Rolls-Royce Luxury meets lunacy in the turbine-powered Rolls-Royce, a car that combines elegance with extreme engineering. Fitted with a Rolls-Royce Viper jet engine, this custom creation is a blend of class and chaos. Its interior remains luxurious, complete with leather seats and wood trim, making it the perfect blend of refinement and raw power. Number 11. The Phoenix Jet Car. The Phoenix Jet Car is a mainstay of drag racing, reaching speeds of over 300 miles per hour thanks to its Westinghouse J34 engine. At nighttime events, it's a crowd favorite thanks to its flames illuminating the track. Its creators designed it to push the limits of drag racing, and its performances never fail to captivate audiences. From record-breaking legends to fan-favorite creations, these jet-powered cars represent the pinnacle of speed and innovation and scorch the road. Which one blew you away? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chrome and Coffee for more high-octane content. As always, thanks for watching.